In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order shoes from Alibaba. Alibaba is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world, known for connecting buyers directly with manufacturers and wholesalers from around the globe. Whether you're looking for the latest trends or a bulk order of shoes, Alibaba can be an invaluable resource. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you feel confident in navigating and making your purchase. First, you need to head over to Alibaba's official website. While this may sound self-explanatory, it's crucial to ensure you're on the right site. You're looking for Alibaba.com, and once there, you'll find a vast array of products at your fingertips. The home page is where you can begin your shopping journey. Next, you'll want to search for the shoes you desire. In the search bar at the top of the home page, simply type in the kind of shoes you're interested in. Whether you're looking for sneakers, boots or sandals, the search results will help you narrow down your options. As you browse, pay attention to details like product descriptions, customer reviews and pricing, which will guide you to a product that fits your needs. When you find a pair that catches your eye, click on the product to get more information. This action will take you to a detailed product page with multiple images, specifications, and seller information. Reviewing this page carefully is important to ensure that the product meets your expectations and requirements. If everything looks good, the next step is to initiate the order. Alibaba provides a Start Order button on the product page. Clicking it will take you through the purchasing process. Alternatively, if you have specific questions or require further customization, you might consider using the Chat Now feature to communicate directly with the seller. Building a good rapport with the seller can sometimes lead to better deals or customized orders, especially if you're ordering in bulk. Once you're ready to make your purchase, it's time to specify the details of your order. Start by selecting the size of the shoes you need. Sizing can often differ between regions, so make sure to check any sizing guides offered by the seller to avoid receiving shoes that don't fit properly. After choosing the size, proceed to select the colour. Most listings offer a variety of colours, so choose the one that best matches your style or the needs of your business next. Determine the quantity you wish to purchase. Whether you're buying a single pair or bulk orders for a business, make sure the quantity reflects what you truly need. Click on Start Order once more to confirm your selections and initiate the purchase process. This will take you to a new page where you'll be prompted to enter your shipping address. Ensure this address is accurate as it determines where your order will be delivered. Double checking this information helps prevent complications or delays in receiving your order. Finally, complete your order by adding a payment method. Alibaba supports various payment options, so choose the most convenient and secure for you. After you've done this, review your order details one last time and proceed to place your order. Congratulations! You have now successfully ordered shoes from Alibaba. With these steps completed, you should be able to track your order and soon enjoy your new purchase.